headlines. Manipur's COVID-19 tally reaches 143 active cases, stand at 91. (9,887) COVID-19 cases in India in 24 hours, 294 deaths in highest single-day jump. And former Manipur Governor Ved Marwa passes away. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching news today at 1 p.m. and this is HARIPRIYA TONGBRAM giving you the news in details. In Manipur, 11 individuals were confirmed COVID-19 positive at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (BRDLs) in Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) Imphal yesterday, taking the total tally to 143. There are 91 active cases and 52 patients have been discharged or cured in the state. India's tally of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 surged to 236,657 and 9,887 new cases and 294 deaths. The highest so far were recorded between Friday and Saturday, the Union Health Ministry data show. According to the Health Ministry dashboard, there are 1,15,942 active cases of COVID-19 and 1,14,072 people have been cured of the highly infectious disease so far. India had overtaken Italy as the sixth worst affected nation in the world yesterday, according to U.S. Johns Hopkins University. The country is also inching towards adding 10,000 daily new cases, reporting more than 9,000 cases for the third consecutive day. It was 9,851 on Friday and 9,304 on Thursday. On Friday, India's tally was 236,657. India is likely to hit the peak of infection sometime in June-July before the curve of daily new cases begins to fall, a media report said. The number of fatalities has risen to 6,642, more than that of China's, which has recorded 4,638 deaths. Globally, 6.7 million people have contracted the respiratory disease and 3,94,887 have succumbed due to the illness, according to Johns Hopkins coronavirus tracker. Former Governor of Manipur, Jharkhand and Mizoram, Ved Marwa passed away at a hospital in Goa last night. He was 87. Ved Marwa was admitted to the hospital almost 3 weeks back after he suffered a fall at his residence in Goa, a report said today. Now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Langol View Charitable Clinic haina khangnaram mafamasi Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited haina khangnarakani. Mafamasida medicine, gynecology, surgery, orthopedic, ENT amadi pediatrics ka mari lenaba analaying service singi khudong chawal lobiyo. Akupa marol gidama contact tobiyo Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, RIMS Southgate near Kombinay Kaithel. Hospital helpline number 8258967890.
Welcome back. Tripura's COVID-19 tally reached 695 after 48 new cases were reported last night. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev said out of 1,026 samples tested, 48 tested positive of COVID-19. According to a media report, all 48 people confirmed positive. All of them have travel history. UK-based Dr. Bishop Elangbam, a consultant in emergency medicine, and Dr. Arora, consultant intensivist of SWBH and jointly organized a webinar on COVID-19. Doctors in Manipur took part in the webinar. The state doctors were from RIMS, Jenim State Health Services, Caesar Hospital, ACME, apart from private hospital staff. The webinar was organized to share experiences of early stages of COVID-19 pandemic. On the 15th session of the webinar, a strong emphasis reassurance was given with themselves sharing now appropriate PPE, good hand hygiene, have action. Cookie Students Organization KSO More distributed rice to 30 poor and needy households at the organization office More today. Each household was given 10 kgs of rice along with face masks. Volunteers of KSO also sanitized the resident on COVID-19 pandemic during the distribution of rice. Senapati District Women Association SDWA inspected quarantine centers across Senapati District headquarters. The SDWA team interacted with the inmates of quarantine centers at Mount Pisgah College Senapati Diet Center, Bethany Higher Secondary School and Badminton Hall at Indoor Stadium. The team maintained strict social distancing norms during the visit. The inmates told the team that they do not have basic items. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh yesterday appealed to all to wear face masks to tackle the prevailing situation arising out of COVID-19. He stated that wearing of masks is a very effective non-medical means of protecting ourselves against COVID-19. He stressed that various scientific studies have shown that wearing cloth face masks reduces COVID-19 infection in the non-healthcare settings. The chance of meeting an infected but asymptomatic person unknowingly is high. Chief Minister said that countries that have effectively controlled spread of COVID-19 pandemic, such as Japan and Korea, had adopted use of face masks by everyone as a norm. Chief Minister Biren also appealed to all the heads of department, deputy commissioners to promote and enforce wearing of face masks. Ward Development Committee, Kumbi Ward number 9, in association with Citizens Welfare Association, Kumbi observed the World Environment Day 2020 yesterday. Saplings were planted in the surrounding of Citizens Welfare Association, Kumbi Ward number 9 office. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee co-opted member Ningthausam Mangi on the occasion said planting more trees will help keep a check on climate change.
Lejeramba jiba kaya gedum lejeramba kunsiado madugusu protect togiba adugumaba asigi June 5 gi World Environment Day gi ibida leriba amadi khoi gi lamdam kumbi da leriba akoiba Manipur da leriba miyam punamakta aina.
Here we have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Students, Success School, Singar and Jeswu Sombong and Korai Salantong opened a YouTube channel called Success School in Fall Age. Teachings from pre-nursery class to class 10 are uploaded on this channel. We the teachers are doing for the betterment of the students during this lockdown period. Watch the channel and tag the value of teachings.
Classing asi wada sina yum degi taki tambiro pa amadi assignment sing bi bagi program oina April ki date 10 degi sathaduna laksabani loina na class 9 amasung 10 ki mathematics ki oina trigonometry coordinate geometry amasung polynomial habisi series 9 na taksakre amasung makha sathajarakhi gani maram aduna pre-nursery degi na class 10 fongi manungda leiba mahairoi singna Success School in Hargi Saiba YouTube channel asida sambiraga amasung classing asibu yiraga kharadang oiraga su kanaba lobiyo haina hajari.
Welcome back. Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC observed the World Environment Day 2020 on the theme Celebrating Biodiversity yesterday. During the observation, an MHRC team led by its acting chairperson Khaide Mani visited a quarantine center at Good Shepherd School in Kakching district and other locations where they planted saplings. Volunteers of Akhil Bharatiya Bhivag Parishad planted saplings in various parts of Bishnupur district in connection with World Environment Day yesterday. The volunteers planted 100 saplings at Ningthaukong, Kumbi and Nambol in the district. Manipur Deputy Chief Minister and Uripok MLA Yumnam Joykumar, accompanied by volunteers of Uripok Taurangbam Lekai Welfare Women Association, today visited a community quarantine center opened at Trade and Expo Center, Lamboi Khongnangkhong, under Uripok constituency. The team provided breakfast to the inmates during the visit. Experts from Singapore will reach Dulajant on Monday to contain the blowout at a gas-producing well in Oil India Limited Oil's well at Bangjant in Upper Assam Tinsukia district. According to media reports, 3 experts, Michael Ernest Alcon, Senior Well Control Operations, Craig Neil Duncan, Senior Well Control Engineer, Edward Harris MacLeod, Senior Well Control Specialist belonging to MS Alert Disaster Control will be flown to the site to control the blowout. As per media reports said that issues in COVID-19 related clearances in Singapore has delayed their arrival. The locals said that the gas leak from the well has contaminated water bodies that flow into the Maguri Motabung Bill and the Dibru Saikhowa National Park. Many animals have already died after the leaking of oil and gas from the oil well. The workers of Oil India Limited and Crisis Management Team from ONGC are working day and night to control the disaster, but they fail to contain the blowout. At least 20 staff members of the Delhi Metro Corporation DMRC have tested positive for COVID-19 till now. As per a media report, these employees of the DMRC are currently on the road to recovery and are in the good health. DMRC officials said that many of its staff members have been coming to the office or to station premises to ensure the smooth resumption of services whenever the orders come from the government. Meanwhile, Delhi has so far registered 25,004 coronavirus cases and 9,898 deaths due to the COVID-19. The number of active cases in the Union Territory is 14,456, whereas a total of 9,898 people have been cured so far. President Donald Trump said yesterday that the U.S. has already produced 2 million vaccine doses for the coronavirus disease, COVID-19, that are ready to go if they check out for the safety. According to the New York Times, the Trump administration has selected 5 companies as the most likely candidates to produce a vaccine for the coronavirus disease. The number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the U.S. currently stands at 1.87 million and 108,120 people have been killed so far, according to Johns Hopkins University. And now let's move to the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. State records 14 new COVID-19 cases with Churachandpur leading with 5. Chief Minister appeals all to follow quarantine protocol. Film on protected areas released. The People's Chronicle. 3 kids among 8 tested positive. Government to recruit 300 medical officers. Fate of defected MLAs on June 8. Humans need nature for survival, says Chief Minister. Imphal Free Press. State observes World Environment Day. We must take necessary measures to save Earth. High Court judgment on disqualification of MLAs slated for June 8. Manipur Mail. Protect environment, save life, says Chief Minister. 8 new COVID cases. IIM Shillong's E-Symposia series.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Manipur's COVID-19 tally reaches 143. Active cases stand at 91. (9,887 COVID-19 cases in India in 24 hours, 294 days in highest single-day jump. And former Manipur Governor Bed Marwa passes away. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and have a good day ahead.